Good day. Welcome to our IGCSE Physics series. And we are looking at the first section of topics that you will find in your IGCSE curriculum. Here we will explain some concepts and try to give you a clearer understanding of what is in your textbook. Please feel free to pause and use the resources that we show in the slide series, and also note down anything that you think you will need in future. We hope you enjoy this series. Next one, velocity. So how can we define velocity? Velocity works almost like speed, but the difference between speed and velocity is that velocity has direction and speed does not have direction. The definition of velocity is how fast is something traveling in which direction. So speed is a scalar, and scalars do not have direction. And velocity is a vector, so v and v. Velocity is a vector because it has direction. That is the difference between speed and velocity. It has the same unit as in meters per second, but velocity, you need to define which direction your object is moving. So if I have this pencil and it's moving from left to right, then I have to say in the right-hand direction, or to the right, or to whichever east, west, south, or whatever is to your right-hand side. You have to describe it very clearly. Number 3, what type of measurement is speed and velocity respectively? So speed is a scalar type of measurement, and velocity is a vector type of measurement. Which formula do we use to calculate velocity? So which formula do we use to calculate velocity? Here you will see both the speed and the velocity on one ticket. Okay, so as you can see, you have velocity, which is v, t, which is time, and x, which is displacement or distance moved. So remember, you have to give the direction that it moves as well. And therefore, you will have v equals x, which is this displacement or distance moved, divided by t, which is the time in seconds that it traveled. And the top section is the difference between speed and velocity calculation. So as you just saw, there is a relation between velocity and speed calculations and what they look like, but the definitions of what we use in the calculations are a bit different. So what is the definition of displacement? Displacement is the movement between A and B with the direction you are moving in. So if you're moving from A to B, then it means that you are going from A, which is the right-hand side, and B, which is the left-hand side, right? So you're moving from right to left. And if you are moving from B to A, then you are moving in the opposite direction. So displacement is moving from one place to another place, and the movement, which direction are you moving in? So in this segment, I'm moving from left to right. So I'm moving towards the right. If I change it, then I am moving from right to left. So it is in the left direction or towards the left. Is displacement a vector or a scalar, and why? Displacement will be a vector because you need to define in which direction the object is moving. And that is why we define it as a vector. A vector always has the direction in which the object moves. Thank you for joining us in today's session on IGCSE Physics. We hope that this topic has helped you to gain some insight into what you can expect in this curriculum for physics. Enjoy your day. Bye.